Hello, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Matthew Tenney. I work for the Office of Small Business Assistance, which is part of the Oregon Secretary of State. Today, I'll be talking about the OregonSaves retirement program, and we'll look at some of the essential things that employers should know about the registration requirement. So what is OregonSaves? It's a state retirement program administered by the Oregon State Treasury. And most importantly, for small business owners like you, all employers must register with OregonSaves. Although the program is facilitated by employers, it's funded entirely by employee payroll deductions. That means there are no employer contributions. In fact, OregonSaves doesn't even allow employer contributions. So there is no fee for employers. I'll repeat that just so it's absolutely clear. There are no employer fees, and employers do not make contributions to the program. It's also important to remember that employee participation is completely voluntary. Employees may choose to opt out or opt in again at any time. The way the program works is that a percentage of an employee's gross pay is redirected from each paycheck into a Roth IRA. That IRA stays with employees, even if they change jobs. And just as employees can opt out of the program at any time, they can also change how much they want to contribute from their pay. OregonSaves is for employers that do not offer an employer-sponsored retirement plan. I'll say a bit more about that later. OregonSaves has used a phased approach to rolling out the program, starting with the larger employers. To date, all employers with 5 or more employees must register. It's important to remember that the registration requirement applies to all employers, even those that qualify for exemption. You'll see the red asterisk next to the January 15th, 2021 date on the bottom bar. Because of the ongoing COVID-19 state of emergency, that registration deadline for businesses with 4 or fewer employees will be postponed. The Oregon State Treasury is working on setting a new deadline. The state has been notifying employers by phase to let them know about the registration deadline. So, if you're a business with 4 or fewer employees, be on the lookout for a letter from OregonSaves. Please note too that your business can join the program before the deadline. The required registration dates are simply comply by deadlines. So even if you have 4 or fewer employees, you can still go ahead and register for OregonSaves now. Again, I want to reiterate that all employers must register for OregonSaves, even if they qualify for exemption. Registration is the first step in the process. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business. That information will determine whether your business is exempt or whether you must enroll in OregonSaves. Exemption, as I mentioned earlier, is based entirely on whether a business offers an employer-sponsored retirement plan to any of its employees. So even businesses that offer employer-sponsored retirement plans to just some of their employees, but not all, are eligible for exemption. But they still must register with OregonSaves and certify their exemption. So what is meant by an employer-sponsored retirement plan? They are plans qualified under Internal Revenue Code Section 401A, including a 401k, a qualified annuity plan under Section 403A, a tax-sheltered annuity plan under Section 403B, a simplified employee pension plan under Section 408K, a simple IRA plan under Section 408P, or a governmental deferred compensation plan under Section 457B. Please note that other payroll deduction IRAs are not qualified retirement plans. So how does the enrollment process work? You'll need to provide certain information about your business and your employees. OregonSaves will ask for some basic data to set you up as an employer and to set up your employees' accounts. The program will then provide you with information to pass along to your employees. They will have 30 days to opt out or to adjust their savings rates. At the end of the 30-day period, you'll use your employer account in the OregonSaves portal to record their choices. You'll then begin payroll deductions for your participating employees. Once your OregonSaves employer account is set up, you'll be responsible for ongoing maintenance. You'll need to submit your employees' contributions and update your employee list. You'll have 60 days from the date of hire to enroll new employees. The website where you can register is employer.oregonsaves.com. And yes, it's a .com domain name, even though OregonSaves is a state program. To register, you'll need your federal employer identification number or taxpayer identification number, as well as an access code provided by OregonSaves. If you need help retrieving your access code, the site includes the phone number you can call to get it. OregonSaves has a lot of helpful information for employers available on its website. The web address is OregonSaves.com. The site is really easy to navigate. Look for the resources option under the employers menu. Some of the helpful registration resources include instructional guides and frequently asked questions, as well as videos demonstrating how to certify exemption and enroll in the program. For those of you watching on YouTube, we'll include direct links in the video description. The OregonSaves client service team has a dedicated toll-free number for employers. Just call 844-661-1256. They're available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. They want to make the registration process as easy as possible for you. And that's the number to call if you need help obtaining your registration access code. I called the number myself just to try it out, and there was no wait time at all. They were very helpful. Now here's how you can reach me or the other members of the Small Business Advocacy team. You can call us at 844-469-5512, or you can email us at business.sos@oregon.gov. If you see the Get Help button on an Oregon agency's website, that's another direct line of contact to our office, and our website is www.oregon.gov/smallbusiness. Thank you for your time and attention. Enjoy the rest of your day.